All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So this is the brand new Mic 2 from DJI. So I picked up the Pocket 3 and it comes with this in the translucent black color, but this white color, when I saw it on the website, I was like, man, I could use this for so many reasons, smartphones and other DJI products that I have. So I'm gonna go ahead and box this white version here. This is the same transmitter. You can record directly onto this microphone. And it has the ability to link wirelessly to other products, other Bluetooth products. So I'm going to be using this predominantly with my DJI products, and possibly when I go out to record for the car channel, or just this channel, I'll start to use this as well. So you've got some literature in here. I don't really care about that too much. And it is sealed. Let's get it open here. Okay. Custom J-Wheel knife. Shout out to the wife. All right. Now, this is the little pouch that it comes in. This is a really nice feeling material here. I'm just going to go ahead and show you the microphone. I want to see how well it actually pairs to some of the other items that I have here from DJI. So on this side here, you've got the Type-C to Type-A. And on this side here it is, that beautiful microphone, man. And you've got the wind filter right here as well, which I will definitely need when I record outside. So we'll put this back in here. But this is a little pouch and everything it comes in. I think that's pretty cool. And we'll put this out. All right, guys, so here we are back with part 2 of this video here. And here is the microphone. So I've got it charged up. I've actually tested it multiple ways, and it is very nice to use this microphone. So the way I'm going to use this is I'm going to basically use internal recording and just get the best audio I could possibly get, especially when I'm outside doing things for my car channel. I can use this, or just anywhere where it's windy. This wind filter right here, people unfortunately call it a dead cat, but this just snaps in like that. And I tell you folks, this sounds incredible. And I'll give you a sample here in just a second. But this is a microphone that I think a lot of people probably should consider if they want just to up their audio game. So we're talking about 820 feet of range. That's incredible. Basically 250 meters. You can get 14 hours of internal recording. So this records internally. So what you do is you press that button right there, and then it'll record audio directly to the device itself. And then you can edit and post. And you can also do that while you're recording to another source. So like if I hook this to the Galaxy S23 Ultra, I power it on, it's going to light up solid blue right there because I've already paired it to the Ultra. So let's show you here. So it's not flashing blue because it's already paired to the Ultra, but I'm recording with the external microphone, the Ultra, already. So this isn't going to take priority because I'm not in the pro mode app for recording, and this won't work any other way. So if you try to just pair this to your device or any Bluetooth phone, it's not going to work. You have to have an application that can select a audio source for a microphone. And thank goodness most of my phones do, but the predominant phone I use for recording is the S23 Ultra right now. So this works perfectly. And again, I'll give you a sample on that in a minute, but and now this is the microphone quality from the DJI Mic 2. I'm holding it kind of close here, but I got the wind filter on, so it should be okay. But this is what the audio is going to sound like if you decide to switch this to pro mode and use the microphone to record. Pretty sweet, right? If you want to record internally, you just press that button right there. And then this also has what's called 32-bit floating internal audio, but it also has uncompressed 48 kilohertz 24-bit audio. But if you just want to turn on the floating audio, you just tap the power button right there and it'll turn it on. As you can see, that kind of turns like a different color, green or yellow looking color. And that is it. So I'm going to go ahead and power it off here. This right here obviously is the magnet that you get for when you're putting it on some of your gear and you don't want to have it hanging a certain way. That is what you can do. But folks, this is actually a beautiful setup right here for a person who wants to up their audio game. Now, you could ball out and get the entire kit, but I would say if you don't want to edit in post, this is just if you don't want it. You could save $120 by going this route. But if you don't want to edit in post and you want to plug the receiver into any of your other devices, go ahead and spend $219. I have a link in the description and you can buy it that way. But if you want to save as much money as possible, and also when you go with any of the other ones, you don't get this exclusive white color. I thought that was really cool. So if you want to get this color right here, you can only buy it individually. Now, as a recording of this video, but maybe later on, because that's what I did. I went on Amazon. I paid $100 for this because on DJI's website, they were out. If you want this white color, Amazon actually apparently has a bunch of them, even though DJI is sold out of theirs. So if you don't want the white color, you can grab the black one because that's the only way you can get any of the other things that come with this product. So if you're an individual person and you don't mind editing in post or doing external source, the majority of the time, you're good to go. But if you're a Samsung person or a person who has an application on their camera where you can select a pro mode or you just can select audio source for recording, this will be the way you should go. You can save a ton of money. This only costs $100, folks. It's going to have pretty good battery life too when you're doing it wirelessly. About 6 to 8 hours of battery life wirelessly. That is more than enough to record a video or a bunch of vlogs or whatever. So yeah, this is going to be good. But again, if you want to be able to plug in and get like a more stable connection with any device and you just want to record directly to the source, you're going to need the receiver. And that goes up to $220 before taxes. This is $99 before taxes. And this is such a steal, but I think a lot of people would miss it. You know, they probably think that, you know, hey, I'm not gonna be able to use this at all. But the fact that you can record up to 14 hours on here, internal recording, you don't ever have to turn on Bluetooth. You can just clip this on, record your video and use this as your microphone. Now, for me, that's going to be the primary objective for me on this one because I just recently picked up the Pocket 3 and it came with the black version. It came with the microphone and it automatically pairs. So let me give you some truth here. If you planned on buying this and you have one of these older devices like this Action 3, this device isn't even that old. But what DJI did, you know, companies pull a fast one. This doesn't have the software for the external microphone. Now, unless they give me an update later, this will never work and link directly to this right here. I'll have to do the internal microphones or just record the video and record this as well at the same time and edit in post. Also, if you have the Pocket 2, this will not pair to this device. It's going to have to have the software, and DJI has not released that software yet to be able to do this. And the reason they're doing that is because they want you to buy their newer products. There's absolutely no reason why this shouldn't pair to other DJI products that are just the previous generation. But that's how it goes, folks. It's a money grab. I got to always throw it out there to you. So I think if you're aware of that and you know that you can't just hook this to any smartphone. Now I can hook it to an iPhone, or I can hook it to, because you're going to ask about an iPhone, well, you're going to need this application right here. You're going to need this. Well, you don't need this particular one, but this is one that I've used it with and it works fine. You can go into it and you can select the audio source, and I'll show you what I mean here. Let me back out real quick for you. You probably wondering, Jay, why are you so close? I wanted to get you a good close-up of the product. So in order to use this with an iPhone, you're going to hit the settings icon. When you first up, this is going to be the way it looks, but you're going to fire it up and you're going to scroll down to audio source. And then once you pair this Bluetooth with here, this microphone from DJI will appear in the list. And you've probably seen 1,000 videos like that of people telling you how to pair it to an iPhone, but I didn't feel the need to make a separate video for that. I just wanted to tell you in this video. So anyway, it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. Yes, this thing is awesome. It is totally worth $99. So if you decide to up your audio game, whether you're vlogging, doing recordings like this, what I'm doing right now, Now remember, this isn't the DJI that you're listening to. This is a much higher power pseudotech external microphone that I'm using plugged directly into the S23 Ultra via Type-C to Type-B. So that's why the audio is like super good on these videos that I use when I use most of my top-down shots like this, whether I'm using the iPhone or I'm using whatever I'm using. I'm always using my high-power pseudotech 192 kilohertz for this one. So that's why the audio is always on point. But when I'm on the go, this is my new baby right here. If I can just throw this in my pocket at any time. It comes with a nice little pouch or whatever, and it's going to be solid for me. So it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. This is it. The DJI Mic 2, different from the Mic 1. So I'll see you in the next video. Take care.